Welcome back everybody. I'm here at the beautiful QVB, the Queen Victoria building in Sydney, and we're actually looking at product ideas. I'm on my iPad. I bring this with me everywhere that I go because basically constantly I'm always looking for ideas. I'm always testing new product ideas. I'm always trying to find out what is working right now and what are some other potential products that I can jump on. And you can't really, I find looking at using iPhones a little bit small, so I'm always carrying my iPad. Anyway, so I'm looking at a few different products right here, and we've got different, and I'm a big fan of pet products, right? I love pet products, all right? Because pet products, they're reasonably low headache, right? So you look at this one right here. This is a replacement, pet cot replacement cover. Okay, so it's a very basic product. Your first products you should jump on should be very basic. It should not be this hair eraser handheld vacuum, right? It's too complex, right? If something breaks in the product, how the heck are you going to know how to fix it? So if you don't know how to fix it, don't jump on that product as your first product, right? Your first product should ideally be a lot simpler, okay? A very simple product. It's still got to be profitable, but it should be simple, all right? Simple, low cost, low weight, very small in terms of size and diameter, okay? You've got doggy gates. They're pretty popular right now. This is a unique product, right? It sells for 26 bucks. It's a pet product, easy window mount kitty seal, which is quite interesting. Okay, you got more gates right here. And what else we got here? Doggy doors. They're always quite popular because guess what? People are always needing doggy doors. I like pet products because they are very low entry, like they're not baby products, so you're not doing car seats. If you do safety car seats, guess what? If something happens or the car seat fails, then you are potentially liable. Whereas pet products, it's very low risk, okay? Not much can happen, all right? But see, I'd rather do a pet product, an elevated booster seat for a dog, as opposed to a baby, a human baby, because again, like I said, it's low risk, a lot low risk, right? So guys, overall pet products are pretty good because frankly, they're easy to get into, they're non-seasonal, people are adopting pets left, right and center. It's not just during February or March every year, it's January all the way to December. People are always adopting dogs and cats and pets. People spend ridiculous amounts of money on their pets. Okay, I know because I spend a ridiculous amount of money on my pet. And basically, there's so much out there. There's literally so many new products coming out on the market. If you look at some of the innovative niches out there like camping, what new has come out in the camping niche, right? Or the hunting niche, or the fishing niche, right? A fishing rod is a fishing rod. Yeah, there might be better models, but it's a fishing rod. Not much has changed. Whereas there's new products, this booster seat right here, all right, that's a product that's only sort of been out in the last like 6 months, right? And you see other products out here, they're reasonably new, right? You've got eliminate bad breath and prevent oral disease in dogs, right? That's a brand, I've never seen that product before, right? So there are so many new products coming in the market. With pet products, it's a very good niche, it's a very busy niche with innovation. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to find out more information, guys, check out below and click the link below, or alternatively, give us a call in the office, 02 8003 7534. I would love to help you. I'm in Sydney right now. I'm actually doing a free event next Saturday, all right? We've actually only got a few seats left. If you want to join me for this free event, it's a 3-hour product masterclass, and it's for anyone really looking to get something started on Amazon. I would love to see you there. Have a great day. Bye-bye for now. See you later.